Hello everyone. It's been so long. I'm coming up with a new video today. Like today, the video I'm representing has a very interesting topic, which is dress replacement. Like you might have gone through in some websites where people are providing to try clothing and outfits on your selfies. Okay, so here we are doing something like this. We are replacing the outfits on the same person and checking it whether it's nice or not. It's basically a dress replacement code. Okay, so here we are first what we are doing is we are installing the requirement packages. This block takes time to run, so I've already run it and then I'm showing you directly what it has. So here I'm running the requirement file. In requirement file, what requirement file includes, it includes dominate package, image.io, ipython, lpips, matplotlib, numpy. That version should be greater than 1.21, OpenCV, Python, Pandas, Pillow, Scikit-image, TensorBoard, TensorBoard-X, JFile, Torch file, Torch Vision, TQGM. Here I'm writing, there is some issue with requirement because this thing is not working on, this thing is working on only Torch version 1.12.0, not working on any other versions of Torch. This is why I'm writing it. After that, what am I doing? Here I am redirecting it to this directory, dressing in order here. Then I'm mounting my drive. Then I'm unzipping these three zip files, image.zip, train.zip, test and lib.zip. After that, in this content data directory, then I am unzipping the diode version 64.zip file to the models directory. Then I'm creating a checkpoints directory and saving this diode 64 checkpoints in this checkpoints directory which we have just created. Then what am I doing is I am generating the fashion data set. Okay, in this data directory you can see that this directory has contained the fashion data set. When we will run it, we will generate the data set in this directory, in this folder. Then what am I doing? I'm importing the packages, torch, you know, diode model. Then I am, loading the checkpoints, importing the model. Then I am loading the data set. I'm loading the data here. And after that, I am, running this. So, if you will run it, you will get this output. It is like here you can see that we have not replaced the code here. It's just like the same clothes are there but on different persons. Here the person is different and here the person is different, but the clothes remain same. Okay, this block is generating this output. Now if we want to replace the code on the same person, we are running this. If we run this, you can see that there's same person, but the cloth has been replaced. You can see that the upper wear has been replaced by this check top, and the bottom wear, here the bottom wear has not been replaced. But if we in the second image, you can see that the bottom wear has been replaced. Okay, so this code has been replaced. In this code, the outfits has been replaced, both bottom wear and upper wear. Now in the next block, if you will see, we are replacing the upper wear, like we are replacing the only top. And here I'm just doing something with my own, with some different images, like this images um, these are the some images which I have not been used in this testing folder, but I'm replacing it by my own. See, you can see that the person is the same, but I'm replacing the upper wear. Here also I'm replacing. So this was the so this was the code to this was the code to replace the dresses. We can even replace the persons different with another person with the same outfit, and we can replace the outfits also uh, with the same person. So this is like very nice. You can even try it. You can even try it in on your selfies and check the different outfits on your own. This code is like very interesting. So I hope you people found it very interesting and very knowledgeable. Like this kind of thing also we can do with artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching.